Welcome back, children. In the last class we started factors and multiples, isn't it? Then page number 39, that chart I showed you, that is I announced the number of students to make groups, isn't it? Then you did according to that I wrote the number of groups made, and if the left out children are there means that also I wrote the left out members chart, isn't it? So from that we learnt some of the factors which are 12. The total number of students, they are 12. Then we did, that is 1 12s are 12. Then next 2 6s are 12. We took the number 12. Then 3 4s are 12. Next 4 3s are 12. Next 6 2s are 12. Then 12 1s are 12. So we got this much of numbers. Then I told you that these are, it is this side 1 2 3 4 6 12. So these are the factors of 12. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. That much I stopped, isn't it, children? First ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನನ್ನ last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, today let us know what is multiples. Here nothing is, that is 12 is the multiples of, same right again, 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. See here, two things, 1 2 3 4 and 12 are the factors of 12. Okay, when you multiply according to the table, you got the factors of 12. The answer 12 is the multiples of that 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? That is the twisting. ಇದು factors, ಅದು multiples. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 12 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 12 ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ multiples. So I will give you one more example for this. Let us take 24. Let us take another number. Here we have taken 12, isn't it? So in the same way, we will take 24. So I will write the multiples. I will start from 2. First actually ones are, that is any number that is multiplied by 1 is always 124s are 24. Then 2 12s are 24. Then 3 8s are 24. 4 6s are 24. Next 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. See, according to table you go. You start from 1. 1 2 3 2 tables we have 24. In 3 tables we have 24. In 4 tables we have 24. In 6 also we have. In 8 also we have 24. Next table is, see, I have not taken 9, 10, 11 because 24 is not in those tables. 24 ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 12 2s are 24. So these are 1 2 3 4 6 8 and 12. So these are factors of 24. See, 1 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. And 12 are the factors of 24. They are the factors. In the same way, if you want to write the multiples, so 24 is the multiples of the same numbers. You write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Okay, children? So like this, if they give any number, you write like this and write their factors and also write their multiples. Okay. So just to discuss about some of the numbers, that is, if you take the numbers 5, see another example. If I take this, let us say 2, if I take 5, which are the factors and multiples? You won't get, no, isn't it? 1 5s are 5, only one number you get. Okay, if you take 9, 1 9s are 9. Okay. Otherwise, I'll take 7. Okay, 9 can be multiplied by another number 7. If I take 5, suppose if you take 11, 1 11s are 11. So in your table is 5 agli, 7 agli, 11 agli, 11. So only it is multiplied by 1. So every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Yavade number tagoli. So it is the multiple of 1. So we can say that every number is a multiple of 1. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. There is no multiples or there is no factors for some of the numbers. So 13 you can say. So there is no 13 in any table. Only ones are you can multiply. Okay, children? So this is about factors and multiples. Okay, we will learn about factor tree. Yes, children, next unit in this topic is factor tree. Okay, let us know what is factor tree. Very easy. Any number can be expressed as product of two numbers. So now we have all multiplication ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು multiplicand and multiplier ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. See, 2 5s are 10 or 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, isn't it? 9 9s are 81. So two numbers should be there for the multiplication. So two numbers are multiplicand and multiplier, isn't it? So in the same way, this can be represented diagrammatically. Sorry, that is, with the help of the diagram, we can explain this factor tree. Okay, first let us know the example. Write the factor tree of 24. See here, just you write 24. Okay, here it is 24. It is in the circle. Now, to get 24, we have to multiply it by two numbers. Let us multiply by 2 12s are how much, children? It is 24, isn't it? So write this 2 here and 12 here. Okay, that is 24 is multiplied by 2 12s are 24. Now take this 12 and you multiply again by two numbers. So let us say 2 6s are, that is 12, isn't it? Write this 2 6s are 12. Now again you can multiply by, that is 2 numbers. The product you'll get is 6. Which one you think? Yes, it is again 2 3s are 6. Now write this into circle. 2 3s are 6. See, first I did 24. So to get the product 24, you have to multiply it by 2 numbers. That is 2 12s are 24. Next, to multiply 2 12, that is 2 6s are 12. Okay. Next, to multiply by any 2 number, if you want to get 6, then it is 2 3s are 6. So here we won't multiply this 2 because that is the last number. If you multiply by any 2 number, you won't get the same. That is 1 2s are only. That is why you leave it and you take this root. So this type of factor we call it as factor tree. Okay. In the same way, complete the factor tree of 18. See, you can consider this tree as anything which multiplies by 2 numbers and you should get the product of 18. So 2 how many are 18? 2 9s are 18, isn't it? Again, if you multiply by any number, you should get 9. Which are those numbers? Yes, any number that is in 2 table, you won't get 9. So next table is 3. Yes, is the 3. That is 9 is the multiple of 3. Yes, it is 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Or another type, that is left to you. See, this can be or. You can write it as so next one, 6 3s are. Okay, right. See, here I have taken 2 9s are. Here 6 3s are. This method also you can do. So now you multiply this 6 by 2 numbers. That is 2 3s are 6. See, you can write the factor tree either like this or like this. Okay, there is no particular way for completing the factor tree. You can write the factor tree as you wish, but the 2 number should be there to get a product here. Okay, children, so this is very easy, that is factor tree method. So I give you some of the homework. Okay, write the factor tree for those numbers like this. Okay, in the side you write this one also and also write this tree, factor tree. Okay. Homework. Complete the factor tree for 12. Okay. Then second one 32 and the third one 10, fourth in the fifth 50. Okay, I have given 5 sums. So like this you complete it by drawing the factor tree. Okay children, see you in the next class. One thing I wanted to tell you, I'll send you up to here, I'll send you the notes. You copy it, okay, in your notes. Afterwards, anyhow, vacation is there. After 20th, again I will meet you with the new topic or new chapter. Okay, so up to here, whatever I completed, I will write down in your notes. Again, I am repeating children. So today is the last class of this session. Okay, after 20th, again we will start the ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ SA1 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 25th onwards. Okay, already I assigned the portion also. So only those chapters you learn. Sorry, FA2, not SA1. FA2 test is there for you. For that I already sent the portion. Okay, after that we will conduct next exam. For that you need all this notes. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಓಕೆ, see you after the Dasara vacation. Happy Dasara. Enjoy Dasara, but be careful about the pandemic. Okay, so see you children after Dasara. Happy Dasara. Bye.